We're moving along in the bathroom. We've got the floor done. We are now working on some board and batten that we're going to put on the walls. We've done the drywall. We've even put our lighting in up above there. And we're going to show you how we do the board and batten. First, we put in the baseboards, which we have painted the color that the board and batten is going to be. We'll have to do some touch-up, obviously. And then we're going to go ahead and put on some plywood on top of that to give us a wood background. Jeannie decided that if it doesn't have a board, it's not really board and batten, so we're putting the board underneath. We're doing something kind of interesting here. In order to save cost, we've decided that we would use 2x4s for the batten. And so what we've done is that these battens are 1.5 inches, and they're basically ripped 2x4s. So very inexpensive to put these together. But it seems to be turning out pretty nice. We'll see what it looks like when we get it painted. Do you have anything to say?
Oh, well, something else happening over here. So we went to put the door in today, and rough-in and the size of the door, miscommunication, rookie error, whatever, but the door is too big. So if you look over here, we've got all our electrical all set up for our thermostat and our vent and our fan and our sconces. And in order to fit the door in, we're going to have to cut a larger hole and move all of our electrical over. Nightmare!
So the project got a little bit bigger, but I guess we'll be tearing that out tomorrow.
A little bit of a sneak peek at the powder room, but we wanted to come in and explain a little bit more about how we're doing this board and batten. So Dee's going to go in and show you.
We wanted to try and get as much height as possible while keeping this simple. So what we did was we took a 5.5 inch board, put it along the base, and then we took the 1/4 inch plywood and we actually set it on top of that base. And then the 4-inch board goes right on top of that to finish it off, giving us extra height without having to worry about seams. Works pretty good with the scale of this bathroom. The height is just exactly what we wanted it to be. A couple of other things that we've been working on. What we found with the batten is that we have holes behind the sink, which is going to create a problem for cleaning and everything else. So what we're going to end up doing here is we're going to fill in, create a backsplash behind the sink to take care of that problem. And we had a little bit of a
Drama.
good news. Drama.
We had drama initially.
Drama initially where we mentioned we had to tear apart the wall because of the door size. We were able to get the actual right door size for this bathroom, so we didn't have to tear apart the electrical and start from scratch.
So today we get to finish off the board and batten on the last little bit of wall.